Hello, I'm Betty Preston from Alpha Associates in Kendallville, Indiana, where I have lived all my life, was born here. I graduated in 1954, and on my graduation day, I was also taken into Tri Kappa, and I wore the same initiation dress and graduation dress, and I still have that in my closet today. I have really enjoyed rummage sales, salad bars, making cheese balls. We have very active here, and the only time I've been away from Tri Kappa here in Kendallville is I lived 4 years with my husband. He was in the Air Force in California, and then we were 2 years in Chicago for college. Otherwise, I've been right here with the girls and have really enjoyed it. I also have a sister in Tri Kappa that is older than I. So that's my story, and I've always enjoyed. Thank you.